Hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I am back with subject Environmental Studies. Yes children, in EVS we had started our new chapter, chapter 6, the earth and the sky. Am I right? Yes. कौन सा चैप्टर हमने स्टार्ट किया था? चैप्टर 6, द अर्थ एंड द स्काई, जिसमें आपने बहुत सारी न्यू चीजें सीखी, राइट? यू लर्न द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड द मेन फंक्शंस विच आर प्लैनेट द अर्थ परफॉर्म्स. अर्थ क्या क्या करता है एंड अर्थ कौन सी पोजीशन पे है हमारे सोलर सिस्टम में, ये सारी डिटेल आपने अच्छी तरह से पढ़ ली. इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम the earth is only the planet where the life exists. Yes, हमारे पूरे सूर्यमंडल में एक अर्थ ही ऐसा है जहाँ लाइफ एग्जिस्ट करती है. Here we get oxygen, here we get air to breathe, here we get food to eat, here we get gravitational force. Right children? So that's why the earth planet is known as mother planet. Okay? Yes, we all live on the earth. It is round in shape, right? The earth कौन से shape का है? Round. It is little bit sphere. Okay. The earth is made up of land, water and air. As you all are aware that हमारा earth किससे बना हुआ है? Land मतलब जमीन, water मतलब पानी and air that means हवा. Right children? Yes, ये तीनों चीजों से हमारा अर्थ कवर्ड है, right? Yes, after that you learned about the rotation and the revolution. Am I right? Yes, कैसे दिन बनते हैं, कैसे दिन रात बनते हैं, कैसे पूरा एक साल कंप्लीट होता है. This whole process you learned in our previous video. Right children? The earth spins around its axis, that is known as rotation. Right? One imaginary line passes through the center which is known as axis. The earth rotates on its axis. Right? That process is known as rotation. Because of this rotation only we can see and we can feel day and night. And with the help of revolution. Now what is revolution? मैंने आपको previous video में बताया था, अर्थ जो है वो खुद तो रोटेट होता है but it also revolves around the sun, right? The earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution. So one revolution complete होने पे one पूरा whole year बन जाता है, right? So while rotation the earth completes one day and we see day and night, and when the earth completes one whole revolution, one whole year is completed, right? After that you learn that there are many landforms on our earth, right? The physical features of our land is known as landforms. So children, आपके chapter में mainly there are three landforms. Which were they? Yes, first was plains, that means जमीन, the flat surface which is known as plain, जहाँ हम सब रहते हैं, जहाँ हम सब घर बनाते हैं, जहाँ हम एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज करते हैं, where we grow crops. Yes children, so that surface of area is known as plains. Right children? Yes, after that you learn that some land are higher than the plains which are known as hills, and the hills which are very tall and very big are known as mountains, right? The peak of the mountain is covered with snow, right children? There are many crops which grow on the mountain. I have discussed in our previous video that tea and coffee grows on the mountain, right? Yes, जिसे आप हिंदी में पहाड़ कहते हो. Okay, so the land which is higher than the plain is known as hill, and the hills which are very big are known as mountains, and the hills are which are very big hills are known as mountains. After that you learned about the desert. Yes, the earth's surface which is covered in sand, right? जो जमीन sand से cover है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Desert. A desert is a hot and dry place covered in sand and there is very less amount of water in that area. वहाँ पीने के लिए पानी बहुत कम होता है. Okay, and the camel, yes, we had discussed that camel is known as ship of desert because there is no other vehicle which can travel in that area. So camel is the ship of desert, and after that other plants like cactus grow in desert only. Okay children, so hot and dry place with less amount of water, that area is known as desert. That landform is known as desert. In today's video we are going to learn about the water. Yes children, WATER, water. Water is a very important and valuable resource of our nature, of our country. राइट चिल्ड्रन, पानी एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमें गॉड ने दी है, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वाई इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट? एज यू ऑल आर अवेयर, विदाउट वाटर एनी एक्टिविटी इज नॉट पॉसिबल. एज यू ऑल आर अवेयर दैट वाटर इज यूज्ड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. हम क्या पीते हैं? मेन पानी पीते हैं, राइट? वी कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट वाटर? No children, water is the most important for our body. Water is used for drinking, it is used for cooking, right? When your mama makes special dishes in the kitchen, what she needs the most? Yes, it is the water. Next activity for which water is very important is cleaning. Yes, for cleaning your house, for cleaning your household things, for cleaning all your home, all your school, all your vehicles. What do you need? Yes, you need water. सब सफाई करने के लिए हमें मेन क्या चाहिए होता है? पानी. Next is washing clothes and utensils. कपड़े क्लीन रखने के लिए, कपड़े धोने के लिए हमें मेन क्या चाहिए? पानी. For cleaning utensils, that means जिस dishes में and bowls में आप खाना खाते हैं, उन्हें clean करने के लिए what do you need? Yes, you need water to clean them. Next is watering plants. Yes children, watering plants is very important. Otherwise क्या होगा? Plants जिंदा रह पाएंगे? No. ठीक है? So watering plant is very important and we need water to water the plant, right? Yes, next is bathing. नहाने के लिए what we need? Yes children, we need water. So children, do not waste water because without water any of your activity, any of your daily routine activity is not possible. So children, जब भी आप देखें कहीं टैप खुला हुआ है, कहीं शॉवर ओपन है या फिर कुछ कहीं से पानी लीक हो रहा है, so kindly just go there and save the water and try to save the water, right? We should waste the water? No children, हमें पानी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. जिन शहरों में, जिन विलेजेस में पानी नहीं है, you just go and ask them that they are facing so many problems. Yes, in the villages still there are many places where there is only one tap. Yes, for the whole society there is only one tap and they are facing many problems. Yes children, पानी के बिना वो क्या करेंगे? So children, अगर हम waste नहीं करेंगे, so what we can do? Yes, we can, where there is much water, we can transfer some water to the places where there is lack of water, राइट। जहाँ पे पानी की कमी है हम वहाँ पानी पहुँचा सकते हैं, राइट। इफ वी डजंट वेस्ट वाटर then we can transfer the water in such areas also, right children? So it is our moral responsibility not to waste a single drop of water. Okay children? Yes. And water, let me tell you, water is tasteless, odorless, colorless and transparent. Yes. टेस्टलेस, कभी वाटर की कोई टेस्ट होती है? नो. इट इज ऑर्डरलेस, द स्मेल कम्स फ्रॉम द वाटर? नो. एंड इट इज कलरलेस, as you all are aware that water is transparent in color. Okay children? Yes. And पानी आता कहाँ से है? This question also arises. The main source of water is rainfall. Right children? पानी हमें कौन देता है? गॉड देते हैं. कैसे देते हैं? रेनफॉल से. राइट चिल्ड्रन? यस, देयर आर मैनी अदर सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर लाइक ओशंस. सो ओशन मतलब महासागर, राइट, जहाँ पे बहुत पानी होता है. बट ड्रिंकिंग ओशन वाटर इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर आवर बॉडी. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज सॉल्टी वाटर. ठीक है, वो जो पानी होता है वो खारा पानी होता है, वो हमारी बॉडी को सूट नहीं करता. बट दैट वाटर कैन बी यूज्ड इन डिफरेंट पर्पसेस. ओके चिल्ड्रन? सो व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ, वन ऑफ द सोर्स ऑफ वाटर इज ओशन. नेक्स्ट इज रिवर. रिवर मतलब नदी. राइट चिल्ड्रन? हमें नदी को पोल्यूट नहीं करना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट थ्रो वेस्ट एंड अदर थिंग्स इन द रिवर. हमें पानी में कुछ फेंकना नहीं चाहिए. सो वाई? बिकॉज इट इज ऑल्सो अ सोर्स ऑफ वाटर. राइट चिल्ड्रन? यस. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रीम. स्ट्रीम मतलब जो पहाड़ों के बीच में से एक धारा निकलती है, राइट. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज स्ट्रीम. नेक्स्ट इज लेक. लेक मतलब झील. यस चिल्ड्रन, झील जो है वो बहुत सुंदर लगती है दिखने में. Yes children, you can have a look how beautiful it is. It is also one of the source of water. Next is pond. That means talab. Yes. So whenever you go in the park or something in the adventure park, you can see small ponds, right? There you can grow, there around you can grow many of the trees and also you can water them, right children? Yes. So these all are the sources of water. Yes children, we learned that not to waste the water, not to waste a single drop of water. We learned the characteristics of the water and also we learned where we get water from. We get water from rain, ocean, river, stream, lake and pond. Okay children? So children, I hope कि आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. Now we will meet in our next environmental studies lecture. There we will learn something new. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.